Okay, so you get the matchbox and take the drawer out, and then you can draw around the matchbox. You will need all 4 sizes. Okay, the best to do it with a black pencil because it will be seen quite easily. And if you
Okay, I'm finished.
Good. Okay, now we need to cut out these 4 sizes. Would you mind doing it?
Yes.
Okay, cut it out very, very carefully. You can actually let your child to cut out near the lines from about the age of 5. And if you want to protect him, don't give him a very sharp knife, but sharp enough to cut the paper. And it doesn't matter if there are bits and pieces that are not cut properly.